So, many people encounter the Windows update error code 0x80070643, which is security update KB5034441 while updating their Windows. In today's videos, we will fix this issue. So watch this video until the end. It will solve your problem, hopefully 100%. Firstly, let's restart the Windows Update service and delete the update cache. So follow the steps in the video to resolve this problem. First of all, just click on the Windows icon, then search here for services and open it. Once you open the services, just find here the Windows Update. Just press W until you will get here the Windows Update. Now right click on it, go into the properties and make sure here set the manual, and if it's running then make sure stop it and hit apply and OK. Don't start it, right? Now the second step we will do here, we will clean the update caches. Now go into the C drive. After going into the C drive, Windows, and then we will find here the software distribution folder. So just press S until you'll get here the software distribution. Now open this folder and select all and then delete. After doing this, now simply we will reset all the Windows component by using the Windows command prompt. So click on the Windows, type cmd, right click on it and click on the run as administrator. Once you open this, now here's a lot of commands that you need to use. But I guess there's another best way we can go through that, because there's a lot of commands and one by one applying these commands is kinda taking time. So what we are gonna do here, all the commands are just paste all the commands in Notepad and then go into the file, save as on desktop, and then you can just type here repair update.bat, right? And save as type all files. Select desktop and click on save, and then you can close it. Now go into the file explorer. I'm going actually in the file explorer. You can simply find it on your desktop. Now right click on it, run as administrator, and all these commands will automatically apply using cmd. So just wait here and this will solve your issue. So after watching this video, I hope today's video has been quite helpful for you. If it is, drop your feedback, hit the subscribe button and the press icon so you never miss any update, and stay connected with me for technical solutions related to games and Windows error. There's also a Discord link in the description. Just join it and you can just get direct help from me, and there's a lot of other technical users that might be facing the same issues. So with discussion, I guess it's easier to find the solution. That's it for today's video. I'll see you again tomorrow. Until then, take care of yourself and your family. Goodbye.